In today's video, I will show you how you can earn money by watching on short YouTube videos. And you can earn $20 by watching 10 short YouTube videos. If it comes to YouTube and you type the shorts hashtag correctly, continue and enter it directly here in the search bar that takes you to the shorts rack, where there are over 62,500 million videos to choose from. There is a certain genre of videos that get the most views and pay you the most money. Part of what I want you to do is not scroll low, because I already did it for you, so you don't have to scroll through all these videos. What I want you to do is type in a shorts hashtag plus a car crash, shorts plus car crash, and this will bring up the videos that have millions and millions of views. As you can see here, there are millions of views for these videos. Things like that, the first thing we're going to do is combine this with another site that pays us for air reviews for these videos. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the most popular video. Okay, you want to get paid per view, and we're going to get the most views on a short YouTube video. So what you want to do is click this video. If we play 57 million views, is very good. You can see this video just by accident. People are watching this, people from friends watch these things, so we can, this is a great video to watch and get paid. What we're going to do right here is the subscribe button. We press enter, we copy the special link, I copy this share link, and then I go to this site that pays people to watch. Now look at this site. It has paid different amounts. People get paid every minute of the day, and this is the reason why this site pays through PayPal. There are many payments methods that work in your special country. So it is fixed here that this site is called shrinkme.io. And basically what you want to do is shorten the URL so that little link that we made good, and we are going to make money with the most profitable URL shorter based on that. You can earn up to $220 per 10,000 views. The video we close has 57 million views, so good. So this video could probably make tens of thousands, maybe hundreds of thousands of dollars. If they combine their affiliate link with this site, all you have to do is remove the affiliate link. We've got right here. We are just going to put it right here. So when you sign up for an account, it look like this, and you can go to the new shorten link. Then you can press paste link. This link is going to send you money. So for everyone who clicks on that link and watches the video, you get paid. That's good, and your payment is made directly to my account, so you can get the total income views. What we want to do is get the link in front of hundreds of thousands of people who are really good at watching those kinds of videos. So you can watch it right. You can click on your link, watch it, and you'll see the money coming again. You can ask other people to watch it, so I'm going to show you right now how you can at least get 100,000 views, and they will click on this link and give you money. Take this link from here. We will right click on that link and copy it. Then we will go to a special site that I found for you that guarantees at least 100,000 people will click on your money link. What we're going to do is now we're going to this website, that documentation.com, they say. It's a forum for video of real accident and car accident. So what's interesting is that they only post video where you can see someone post this link video here and get very high views. The link they post on this video use the same strategy I'm currently teaching. So what we're going to do is you join this community again, and then it says, hey, watch this crazy car crash, but boom, video, and then you're going to be licensed to have at least 10,000 to 20,000 games on this site, more than 500,000 views. But the next site is to ensure through 100,000 views. For what we're going to do is we're going to Facebook here. You type in your crash video, car crash video, and then we go to the groups, and it's like you see there's a public groups that's free to join, the link called car crash on the road accidents dashboard video. There is 10 spawns a day and 452,000 members. About 500,000 of people are going to see your screen. So we click on this link and it brings us to the groups, and as you can see, people are posting their video. I think all you have to do right is to submit your post and to say, hi, look at this video that probably produced the video. As you can see, there are different reactions and different shares on different video. Why you need to get at least 80 and 100,000 views of their length of your money that will generate this passive income for you. And finally, there is a specific strategy on that site also, on this particular site. They allow you to refer other people to the site and then post their links, and you can earn whatever they earn. So all you want to do is go to the referral right here, which will bring you to this page and tell you to know whenever someone comes and you refer a friend and they post their first and visit, you get 20% of the income.